Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable an app to install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on install unknown apps. In here, go down the list and select an app that you want to allow to install unknown apps. For example, if you download an app from the Samsung Internet app, you can turn it on, and directly from Samsung Internet, you could install the APK file. So that is how you can turn on an app to allow it to install other unknown apps. Unknown apps are apps that you download, not from the Play Store. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.